Okay, everyone, welcome back to Foundations. We are still in Unit 15. This is the second video that I have for you for this unit. Now, last time we talked about something we had talked about earlier in the year. So let's do a very quick review. So if you've been keeping up with the videos, you'll remember last time we talked about the OO. And we said it could be an ooh sound like in school. Okay, and we get cool, tool, moon, room, and food. But we also said it would give us an sound, like in book. And the words cook, look, took, good, and hood. So the ones on the left are usually shown with a U that has a double dot over it. This is not for marking. You don't have to do this. When I ask you to mark something, you don't have to write a U with these dots over it. But because in this unit we're focusing on that sound, I'm just going to use it in my videos. The ones on the right side use a U with a single dot. That can be very confusing. So school with the U with the double dots and book, the U with the single dot. So just know that there are two things that we can do with a double O. That's all you really need to worry about from the last lesson. Now, today, okay, so if you watched all of the videos from the last unit, you know that OU can be a little difficult because there's so many different sounds. Last time we focused on the ow sound, like shout and about, out, route, and this word here, trout. Well, in this unit, we're looking at OU, and in this video, we're going to look at OU when it sounds like OO, UE, and EW. I'm going to show you what I mean. So a long time ago, the day I taught you the word trout, I also taught you this word. Can you read it? Hopefully, you didn't say soup. It's soup. So OU also makes an oo sound, as we discussed in the last unit. So we have the word moon with its double O and soup with its OU. And in this case, both of these vowel combinations make this U with the double dot, this oo sound. And let's look at some examples. We have moon, there it is, spoon, and broom. And on the right side, we have you, group, and soupy. If something is soupy, it kind of feels like soup. Fortunately, there are not so many OU words that make the oo sound, but still we have to know them. And now that we've seen these, the OO and the OU, we have learned two of the ways of making the oo sound. There are two more, and we're going to be learning them very soon, actually in the next video. And to show you how important these letter combinations and sounds are, I've got 2 pages here from Dragon Masters Chapter 7. And I just want you to look at the boxes that are going to pop up. We've got looked and good, took and room and wooden. Okay, that's quite a lot. And that's not even a full page. And then moon and looked and soon and two. So you can see that OO comes up a lot. And then there are even other ways of making the oo sound that we're not talking about right now. For example, we've got do. Okay, and we've got to. So you can, and we've got into. And then we've got a word like your, which has OU as another sound, which we're not talking about right now. Okay? So it is very confusing. I know it is, but that's why it's so important to read, to follow along when someone else is reading, because that's going to help you know how to read these. If you see a word that you don't know, well, you can use your dictionary, you can ask someone, or you can pay attention when someone is reading, and you'll be able to learn them yourself. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, so let's practice 6 words. The first one is youth. Youth. Youth often refers to young people. Okay, and pause if you need a moment. And here it is. Youth. Youth. Okay. The next word is igloo. Igloo. Many people in northern Canada live in igloos. Okay, and here it is. The next one is rooster. Rooster. Every morning he could hear the rooster crow at 4 o'clock. Okay, and here's rooster. The next one is pounding. Pounding. My heart was pounding. Okay, here it is. The next one is you. You are wonderful, just the way you are. Please don't change. You. Okay, and here it is. And the last one is cartoon. Cartoon. I loved watching cartoons when I was younger. Cartoon. Okay, and here's that word. Okay, you'll probably see these words again, so take a good look. Make sure you have them written down correctly. And by the way, when I was younger, my favorite cartoon was Tom and Jerry. Ask your parents if they watched it when they were younger. It was wonderful. Okay, boys and girls, that's it for Fundations today. Have a wonderful day. The end.